Well, you're working again. That's good. That's good, right? That's good. Hey, do you remember how you used to mimic everybody in the class? Oh, man, you were so good at that. I wish you were still doing that.
Yeah, but I was pretty shit at acting.
Last night, I was watching a motivational video. Well, I guess it was more of like a self-help guide kind of thing. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Anyways, they said, take your time to rise, but don't keep yourself waiting too long.
Ah! Bonjour. Oh, je devrais me mettre en route, ma chère amie.
Salope.
Et si tu ne peux pleurer, Joe, ta situation est déjà bien assez pathétique.
I can take that.
Right, yes. That is yours.
Thank you.
Of course. I didn't catch your name.
Meredith.
Meredith. I'm Andrew. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
You coming?
No, I'm gonna hang out a little bit longer.
Come on, dude. It's just us. She's not coming, man.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I'm just gonna stay for one more drink.
All right. Suit yourself.
Apartment haunted, but real ghost. Yes, I am sure.
Exactly does this ghost look like?
Evil.
Could you be a little more specific?
Demonic